Alright guys, so today I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. It is rooted and it does come with net kalihunter, so I'm actually super excited. So let me begin the unboxing process, and yeah, we're gonna take a look at it. So yep. So here's the phone. Whew. It's my reflection. This is so cool, having a folded phone. Alright, let's bring it back here. Look at this. Open it up. This is so cool, guys. Alright, let's power it on. I don't know why, guys, I'm in love with the way this phone flips. Just like this. Whoosh. So satisfying. Alright, let's turn it on. So this button right here might be dead. Should be how you turn it on. Is it really completely dead? Yeah, here's a SIM right there. And it looks like USB-C. And this is probably the volume. And this is probably turn it on. Wow, it's really completely dead. Oh, yep, it's dead. Jeez, let me charge it up. Alright, let's charge it up. This should be the right charger. Indeed it is. USB-C. Let's see. Oh, we're getting the light. I believe it charges. What the? Set warranty. You meta. Okay. Coming on. 0%. Seriously, you couldn't give it to me charged? At least at like 20% or something. You give it to me, the phone dead. Yeah, I'm not even talking about like they get this because my apparently USPS can't ship it to my house, so I went there, and they told me I had to go back tomorrow to pick it up, and I was waiting in line for like 30 minutes each time, and yeah, they're very slow. There's only 2 people working, and there's like always a huge line, so it's not really fun going there, and I have to drive 15-20 minutes, and I work pretty much most of the day, so yeah. Luckily they open till 7, because if they were open till like 6, I wouldn't really get there on time. But it's a little pain in the butt. I mean, you have to wait like an extra day to go there and get it. So yeah, I was looking forward to it, and I had to wait like 2 extra days or an extra day just to have to go pick it up. Kind of defeats the whole purpose of getting delivered because you're paying for those fees. But I always have to manage to go and pick it up because they can't deliver to my house. So I'll let this charge, and I'll come right back. Give me a second. Let's see where it's at. It's at 2%. It's pretty quick. I heard the battery's not too good in this phone, but and also I heard that like if you put a screen protector on, it cracks the phone or crash the screen. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm probably gonna look online for a case, but I at least want to get it turned on first, take a look at it. But yeah, so let me charge this phone, and I will be back, and I'll tell you how long it takes for me to charge. So far in like what, a minute, it's charged 2%, so that's not too bad since it was completely dead. All right, I'll be back in a couple minutes. Well, however long it takes. So if you turn off while it's charging, you get also this like display right here, which is pretty cool. Also, I think it tells you the time and all that, which I'll show you once it charges. But you see it charges right there, which is pretty cool. 10-minute update, we're at 18%, which is not too bad. 27 minutes, and it's at 44%. So in 27 minutes, it charged from 0 to 44. Well, complete, yeah, from being dead to 44%. All right, so it's been 33 minutes and we're at 52%, which is not too bad. I'm going to unplug it from here, and actually we're going to turn it on. All right, let's open it up so it's satisfying. And we're going to hold the button here. Give me power. The phone's bootloader is unlocked and its software integrity can't be verified. Data on this phone may be vulnerable to attackers. Don't store any important or sensitive information on this phone. So like I said, we did get this phone. Yeah, the bootloader is unlocked, which is good. This phone is not running Samsung official software. You may have problems with features or security, and you won't be able to install software updates. So, like I said, I got this phone rooted, and I had Net kalihunter installed on this phone. So I'm assuming that's why. If this is in any words like not normal for having a rooted phone or whatever, let me know. This doesn't pop up. The bootloader thing popped on my other phone that's rooted, but not that message. So, all right. So we are in the phone now. And let's see. All right. So we have root tracker, Magis. We have PG Tools, Pokemon, Pokemon Go, Shungo, PokeList. A lot of Pokemon stuff. We should have Net kalihunter as well. We have a bunch of Google apps here. Okay. And then we have Samsung apps as well. Granted. Okay. All right. Hack app data, which I asked them to install for me. And here we go right here. We have NetHunter Terminal, NetHunter KET, I don't know what that is, NetHunter Store, Lucky Patcher, and Hack app data. We should also have, where's Game Guardian? Oh, right here. So right here we also have Game Guardian. So let's open up to see if it's working. I think it's the, let me see which one. Yep, and then, okay. So we did right, so click on start. And yep, looks like it's working. We have our thing up here. Click onto it. Click our process. Okay. Okay, so you swipe like that to go back. Okay, cool. And we can actually get rid of it by going here. Nope, going here. And then going down here. No, wait. Where'd I go? Oh, right here. Exit. Yes. Perfect. Let's make sure we're rooted, which I know we are because it said before. Okay, allow. The functionality open. Okay, disagree. All right, get started. Verify root. Grant. Yay, we're rooted. We have Android 13. Cool. Okay. Swipe up here. All right, here. Hey, look, C-Sploit right here. So this is everything he was doing on here. Hack app data, Lucky Patcher. I don't want that on. Oh yeah, we have weather here, downloads, Discord, cool. So yeah, looks actually really nice. I did buy it from PrivacyPortal. They also have their own Discord chat as well. You need to change this right here to get back to where we are, because I brought this phone from the UK. And let me just see something. So let's see if, guys, look how cool that looks. Like, imagine just watching a video. It looks so weird, like where it's slanted. Let me see. Does this automatically turn off if I close it? I'm assuming it does, right? And look at that. So you see home. You also can, I think, swipe. Let me see. Yeah, see music playing, to control your music, alarms, timer, counter, add a widget as well. Pretty cool. Messages, notifications right here. Net kalihunter startup. Okay. Let's see if I go open it up. Cool. Let's see if I exit out. Yeah, we have to add a we have to add a passcode to it. But yeah, I really think it's a great phone so far. The back is a little hot maybe because we've been charging it so far, but so far pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Around for a little bit. Battery's at 47, which we lost like 4. We just lost like 4% in like 10 minutes, which is pretty bad. So the battery is definitely not too good. I like that we have Net Hunter store, which is nice. And also I love Display was like the OG, but it doesn't work anymore, which is a shame because I loved that. That was the best app I've probably ever had in my life. Like you can literally like put images on someone's computer, like control them. It was so cool. Like I used to use that back like 10 years ago. It was the best tool ever. But C-Sploit is kind of like a fork of Dsploit, and unfortunately it was updated as a year ago, but it does not work on newer Android versions. So I think it only works on like Android like 7 or and below or whatever. Such a shame. It's nice that we have the store, the NetHunter store, but still like we're very limited when you have like a newer Android version because we're running Android 13, and a lot of these apps won't work on Android 13 because a lot of them are like made for older versions of the Android.